So, new log. I was just thinking about documenting what I'm about to because, like, science and where my head's at, where it's been at recently, kind of in terms of research interests, scientific interests. So basically, like, with NLP and commands and hypnosis plus autosuggestion, and how I want to basically establish like closed systems in terms of game engines that are hypnotic based in nature. And so, like, language is a part of that, and programming languages exist. So, if humans are like machines or computers, then perhaps language can be used like code to develop systems. So, and then there are notions like embedded commands or commands in NLP, and then like the notions of auto suggestions, which are pretty close to that. And so also that lucid dream or intense hyper realistic feeling dream I had of like going through my mind's contents in a command line based way, navigating through folders which represented like compartments in my mind in terms of like a schema. So like folders for different subjects that I know about, being able to navigate the mind's contents that way. It's like just to try to explain that or to explain that rationally or like offer a theory. It's kind of like me navigating my brain in a logical way using a logical programming language essentially, or a logical language at least, like a functional computational language essentially, I feel like. And so basically what I want to experiment with is with using auto suggestion to create these environments, closed systems that have psychodynamics and like dynamics, system dynamics as well, therefore, because there'd be systems. And I want to do this by essentially using auto suggestion in a way that adopts code syntax. To be more specific, I want to use dot notation because that's essentially how it was in my dream. And so, like, for example, like an auto suggestion can be like, I want to make loads of money today. I made loads of money today. To explain my want to experiment or like how I want to experiment is like just think like money dot get or money dot get 1,000, for example, and using dot notation like that makes sense to me because hypnotically the brain works in that way. Basically, it's like you can instantiate psychological subject matter that creates visual impressions, and it's about relating to that functionality and addressing it as hypnosis so you can orient yourself in the moment in the most optimal ways as a scientist, basically, philosophically speaking, I feel like. So yeah, I want to experiment with using auto suggestion um, in a code based way using fluent syntax. So I'll see how that goes.